Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize your Binance dashboard. So just tap on the Binance application and make sure you may have logged in officially. So now I will just move in my home section, which is top left corner bottom. So I will just tap on it, and after inside the home page of Binance of my profile, so I will just tap on the top left corner. You will see the Binance logo icon, so just tap on it and it will be move in you the profile of Binance. So after inside, you will see like this, and you will just tap on this edit button. So just tap to edit button, and when you tap on edit, and then you will just customize your dashboard. You can just pick any of these services like convert, copy trading, and the plus icon means you can just edit. And if you want to remove it, you can just tap on simply this minus icon from the in shortcut, so it will be removed. So this is how you can edit, customize your dashboard on Binance. There are some specific services you can just in the top of your dashboard. So just tap on this plus icon for edit and minus for remove. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.